Have you ever played this game before? The game is Guess Who, and it's a classic children's guessing game. We're going to play a game similar to this today in math through the company called Desmos. In this game, Guess Who, that you see, each player picks a person from a bunch of cards and then has to guess who the other person has using only yes or no questions. So, for example, if I was the blue player, I might ask the red player, is your person wearing a hat? The red person might say, yes, my person is wearing a hat. So on my side, I would knock down all the ones who were not wearing a hat, leaving up those that were wearing hats. Other questions might be, does your person have an earring? Does your person have a beard? Does your person have short hair? They have to have a yes or no answer. You can't just say, what color is your person's hat? What color are your person's eyes? Because that doesn't give a yes or no answer. So today in class, we're going to play a game called Polygraph. And throughout the year, we'll play Polygraph with different topics. Today's topic is going to be with fractions, specifically pictures of shaded rectangles. So what happens when I give you the code and I give you the link and everybody gets on at the same time for class? You will be randomly assigned a partner from our class by the system. One player will be selected by the program to pick the card, the secret card, and that person will also be the one to answer the questions. The partner player will ask the yes or no questions and then eliminate the cards that don't suit the answer that's given. Again, you must ask only yes or no questions. You can play multiple rounds. Once you've finished a round, even if you don't get the right card, you can stay on and the program will continue to assign different partners so you can play more than once. The first time you play this, it's probably not going to go well. There's going to be some questions, there's going to be some concerns, it's not going to go the way you want, and that's totally fine. Each time you play, you'll get better. You'll understand, you'll find some strategies. Something that I want to bring to your attention, all of your questions that you type in, all of the responses, all of the things that you eliminate and click out of will show in my teacher dashboard. So awesome questions might even be highlighted in our next Zoom call. Because we're talking about fractions, I really want you to try to use some fraction vocabulary when you ask the questions. Words like shaded and unshaded, fraction, part, whole, numerator and denominator, simplified, equivalent, or equal to. As an example, if you look at the picture on the screen, I might ask the question of, would the numerator for your card be 1? And then the person would say yes or no. If we had things with different amounts of shapes in it, different sections, perhaps I would say, is the denominator of your fraction 4? Is your fraction equal to 1/2? Things like that. Have fun. I'll be available if you have any questions.